In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch Seahawks game on NFL. Let's get started. Seahawks games appear on local channels like Fox, CBS, and NBC, while nationally televised games may be available on ESPN, NFL Network, or Amazon Prime Video. For regular Sunday afternoon games, local Fox or CBS affiliates may carry the game depending on the broadcast schedule and your location. For primetime games, Sunday Night Football is generally available on NBC, Monday Night Football on ESPN, and Thursday Night Football on Amazon Prime Video. Preseason games can also be shown on NFL Network or local broadcast partners. If you prefer streaming, services such as YouTube TV and Fubo can provide access to networks including Fox, CBS, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, depending on your location and subscription. NFL Plus also provide live access to certain games and preseason coverage on supported devices. If you live outside the Seahawks local broadcast area and want to watch their Sunday afternoon games, NFL Sunday Ticket is another option for out-of-market games. Availability and restrictions can vary, so check the current schedule and service requirements before subscribing. So that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.